Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to recover permanently deleted photos on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to recover your deleted photos, so let's see some possible ways. So the very first way is that you just have to simply open your Photos app and you just tap on Collections. Now, if you have deleted your photos in recent 30 days, so you might get it in your recycle bin. So you just have to scroll down and here you'll get the option of recent deleted or recycle bins. Under utilities section is the utility section. You can directly tap on it and you will get recently deleted or you might get it here. So you just have to select this option here, then tap on view album, and you just have to try to verify yourself using your face ID or you have to enter your iPhone passcode. And here you'll get all of your recently deleted photos in up to 30 days. If once you have deleted any photo, it might remain here up to 30 days. Or if you have deleted photos and it had 30 days ago, so you can easily recover it if you have backup of the data. So you just have to simply open your settings app here. Now in settings, just tap on your Apple ID, then select iCloud, and here select photos. And you just have to try to enable this toggle to sync this iPhone. If you have enabled this toggle, so it means that your photos has been recovered, has been recovered. Now just select manage storage here, and you can download your backup using your iCloud photos. So once you have downloaded your backup, all of your deleted photos will be recovered. So if your backup is not enabled, so there's no any way to recover your deleted photos on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.